Hey guys, we're doing the 2 box break part 2. It's 9:15, 18 AM Melbourne time. Oops, random is live. Dice roll. No, we're not. We don't go snake eyes. Nobody goes snake eyes. Oh my god, I struggled to get that one out. I was like, blah, 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 blah. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Copy that one. Second list, team list. We're going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Copy that. Random is complete, and the team list is Albie with the Wolves, Mark Jones, Spurs, Deegan, Magic, Tim Pug, Raptors, Reese with Wizards, Tucky with Cavs, Diz with Pacers, Andrew with Hawks, Reese with Nuggets, Cannon with Pelicans, Mr. Lee with Nets, Raymond Dyer, Pistons, Watson, Lakers, Albie Warriors, Reese with Celtics, Tucky, Bucks and Knicks, Mr. Lee, Blazers, Deegan, Bulls, Stashy, Clippers, Mark Jones, Suns, Reese with Hornets and Grizz, Palmisano, Thunder, Reese with Rockets, Albie Jazz, Tucky Heat, Jacob with the Kings, Matus with Mavericks, and Nick Watson Sixers. The team list is there. Time is 9:17, 26 PM.